Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I said good afternoon. I know you guys may be a little tired due to the little, C-Day, fifth period lunch thing. I know, I've been there. Trust me. But I need you guys to wake up for this. As you may know, I'm Nick Manning, and I'll be one of your amazing teachers today. Even though I'm not here, I'm here. Because we all know how Miss Page is down about her work. Anyway, my fellow colleague, Miss Amani Dabney, just finished wrapping up her amazing presentation on the prologue's text connections about the Miller's Tale, and I will be doing the text connections of the tale in the Miller's Tale. So, to start us off, does anybody want to answer what is a text-to-self connection? Anybody? No? Okay. I'll take the first one. What is a text-to-self connection? A text-to-self connection is a connection between the reader and the book. It explains how the text relates to the reader. The Miller's Tale compares to me because when I was growing up, my mom always told me to always work on my studies before I ever thought about a girl. And in the book, there's a scholar named Nicholas, and he's amazing with astrology. To the point where he can just tell the weather by looking up in the sky. But one day, he meets this girl named Allison, and just falls in love immediately. He just forgets about his studies, and just falls in love with her, and is too distracted. So now I can actually see when my mom actually has a point. Your studies are important. Next up, text-to-itself connection. Anybody want to answer what that is? Nobody at all? Nobody? Okay. A text-to-itself connection is a comparison between the text and the text, which means you're looking deeper into the reading. For example, you'd be looking for different patterns. Examples of irony, for example, would be one. Also, in the purpose of the author's writing. One pattern that I've seen pop up multiple times in this story is dramatic irony. For example, when Absalom was going to the place where Nicholas and Allison were, the text tells us beforehand that he was planning on burning Mr. Nicholas with his knife. Why is this significant, you may ask? This is significant because while reading, this makes it a bit more interesting and exciting to learn about what's going to happen next. You in the back with your phone, can you put that away? I'm trying to teach right now, so you can text that girl later. Thank you. As I was saying, text-to-text connection. What is it? Anybody have an answer? Anybody? How about you in the back with your phone? You don't have an answer? Okay. A text-to-text connection is exactly what it is. A text-to-text connection. It compares to text. So, The Miller's Tale is a tale about two star-crossed lovers that can't be together because of different circumstances. To be more specific, Nicholas and Allison. They can't be together because Allison is married to the carpenter, who rents out or pretty much allows Nicholas to stay in this hotel or pretty much this place for him to stay. They can't be together due to the fact that they're married. This reminds me of another story that I'm pretty sure all of you should be familiar with, Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet were also star-crossed lovers that could not be together because of they were in different social groups. Social groups that, in fact, hated each other. They didn't care that they were in love and that they were in different social groups. They were in love, so they were going to be together regardless. And that's the same thing here. Lastly, I know you guys are bored, but I know, I'm trying. Text-to-world connection. Anybody want to explain to me what that is? You guys awake? No? Okay. I'll just keep going. Text-to-world connection is a connection with the text and real-world events that happen today. So, for example, in The Miller's Tale, Nicholas was so determined. I'm talking about determined. That boy had determination to be with Allison, the girl he loved. He would have done anything to be with her. Anything. How does this correlate with the real world today? If we had the determination that Nicholas had to do the things that we loved, the things that we were passionate about, we would be unstoppable. We would be able to get anything done. Anything. We would actually be able to do anything that we set our minds to.